Hello and welcome to Tripify.
In Tripify, we gather reviews and information for your chosen hotel.
We compare the reviews and ratings of Expedia,
TripAdvisor,
Google,
Booking.com,
all in one video.
So please support us by subscribing.
Discover the warm welcome of Sofitel Dubai the Palm, a luxury 5-star beach resort on the east crescent of the world's famous island Palm Jumeirah. Our large selection of accommodations range from elegant rooms and suites to spacious family apartments and private villas. Here you can truly relax, indulge and revive. We invite you to immerse yourself in Emirati hospitality, island chic and French art de vivre. Whether for a romantic secret escape or well-deserved family vacation, we welcome you to this divine sanctuary on Palm Jumeirah. Here, you are ensconced in a tropical retreat, yet so near to Dubai's many exciting attractions and landmarks. Experience Arabic hospitality in a setting inspired by the culture and architecture of the South Pacific. Long white sandy beaches, the turquoise waters of the Persian Gulf, magnificent touches of French elegance everywhere. You are relaxed, revived and restored. We invite you to step into this world of leisure and rejuvenate.
These are ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place.
Reviews you should consider reading. Here's some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripify, trips made easy.